Hey, if you want to add someone to the family group on the Windows 11 PC, all you have to do is just to click on the start on the taskbar, then go to the settings. Next, we will have to go into the left side and select accounts. Right now, we will have to go into the family. And from here, we have to select this option, add someone to your family group and allow them to sign in on this device. So click on the add someone button. Now from here, you have to input their email address. If you don't have account, you can create one for a child, for example, by clicking on this phrase. Then click next. And from here, what roles should they have? Just number member or organizer. So organizing can edit family and the safety settings. Member can edit their settings based on age. So I'm gonna select this one, click invite. Now just wait for the next screen. And right now you will get invitation into the email that you actually input right here. So all I have to do is just to accept this email. And after this, you will actually find this user just right here in this place. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.